guys, welcome to another homework helper. And tonight we're going to be looking at a math review. So we're looking at all the skills that we've learned in third grade so far. So tonight we're going to work a little bit differently. Let's see. All right, for this first one, it says that you have to choose each number. So we're looking for more than one that has a sum or a difference of 345. What I would like for you to do is pause this video. I want you to try it, and then we'll check it together, okay? All right, let's see. The first thing that you would want to do is you would want to add this 169 and 176. I found out that it did equal 345, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that. The next thing you should have done is subtracted 548, 203, which would have given you the 345, which we were looking for. All right, the next thing you should have done is subtracted the 399 and 44. This gave me 355, which is the answer I am not looking for. The next one was 297. We added 38. This is giving me 335. I am not looking for that. And my last one was 124 and 221, and that did give us that 345 that we were looking for. So in this case, you needed to have all three of them for this answer to be correct. All right, the next one tells me that I'm going to have to choose all that the model shows, so be very careful when you're looking down below. Pause the video, come on back, and we'll check it together. Okay. First thing that I would note is that this fraction right here is 5/12. The other side, the fraction is 6/8. Now, what we're looking at is we're comparing these two fractions. So I can look at this two ways. First of all, I can see that if I divide this in half and divide this one somewhat in half, I can see that the 6/8 takes over more of my circle than the 5/12. You can also battle the two numbers. Multiplying 12 and 6 would give you 72. Multiplying your 8 and your 5 would give you 40. Either way, you're going to find out that the 6/8 is larger. So now what you need to do is go down and look at your fractions, and we're looking to find the place where it says that 6/8 is larger. So right here it's telling me that 5/12 is larger. Not correct. Here, 5/12 is larger. Not correct. Here I see where it's showing that 6/8 is larger. And right here, I can see where they're showing 6/8 is larger as well. So those are the two answers we needed. I hope you're getting these. My next one tells me to look for a mixed number and an improper fraction. Those are those two names that I always tell you to look for when you see a fraction. So pause the video and try it out and then come on back. Okay, did you come up with 3 and 4/8 for your mixed number, which I can find right here? And then when we change that to an improper fraction, that 8 has to stay at the bottom because we are keeping the same amount of parts. And then I count all of those colored ones, and that's going to give me 28/8, which is located right there. So you needed two names for that. I hope you got that one too. All right, the next one tells me that I need to find all the congruent figures. So I want you to pause the video, find all the congruent figures, and we'll come back and see if we found the same ones. Okay, to be congruent, you need same shape, same size. Here I have the same shape, but not the same size. So that means that's not congruent. Here I have the same size, but not the same shape. That is not congruent. Here I have the same shape and the same size, so that is congruent. Here I have the same shape and the same size, that is congruent. Notice that it's tilted a little bit, that's okay. Here I have the same shape and the same size, that's congruent. With my hearts, I have the same shape, but I do not have the same size. Notice how much longer this one is than this one, so that counts that one out. You needed to find 3 that were congruent. On my next problem here, it says that I'm to write an equation to match each number line below. So I need each number line. So I need one for here and one for there. Pause the video, write your equation, and we'll check it together. Okay, first thing that I would notice is that you are getting bigger because my arrow is pointing to the right, and it means that I'm going to have something equal 8. All right, I also noticed the little jumps that were made. So there were 4 jumps made, and I am jumping over by 2's, which means 4 times 2 is 8 would be acceptable. I would also take 2 times 4 is 8. On the one down below, you can see that we are moving this way. We're moving to the left, which means we are dividing. We're getting smaller. Okay, and notice that I start at the 27, so I know that my problem is going to start with a 27. All right, I know I'm dividing because I'm going backwards. I know I have 3 jumps, so it's going to be something by 3. And if you look, each time I made a jump, I counted over 9. So I would have 27 divided by 3 is 9, or you could have had 27 divided by 9 is 3. That would be okay as well. All right, how many faces, edges, and vertices do each of the solid shapes have? Pause the video, figure this out, and we'll check it together. Okay, the first thing, this is a cylinder. All right, it's a cylinder. It is going to have 2 faces. It has 0 edges and 0 vertices. This is a cube. A cube is going to have 6 faces. It is going to have, it's going to have 12 edges and it's going to have 8 vertices. This is a square pyramid. All right, a square pyramid is going to have 5 faces. It is going to have, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges, and it's going to have 5 vertices. This is going to be a cone, and a cone has 1 face. It has 0 edges and 0 vertices. All right, let's try the last one. On the last one, we have a word problem, and it has something to do with money. So look over this real carefully. Nathan had $5 to spend. He bought a green truck and some gum. Choose all the amounts he could get back in change. All right, pause the video and make sure you do all the work before you come back and listen to me explain it, okay? All right, first thing that I would have done, the first thing that I would do is I would have put my $3.28 and my $1.13 because that is the amount of the gum and that is the amount of the truck. That gave me $4.41. Next, I would take that $5 and I would subtract that, and that is going to give me my 59 cents. So now I'm going to have to go up and look for each. I have 65 cents, I have 59 cents, I have 84 cents, I have 53 cents, I have 59 cents, and I have 59 cents. So right here, this one, and this one are all the different ways that we could make the change for 59 cents. How'd you do on that one? That was a tough one. I hope you did well. All right, we have reached the end. Great job. I hope you're getting better every single time. The more you practice, the more you work hard, the better you stretch your brain and the better you do. So good luck and till next time. Bye-bye.